So, students, next we have three different experiments to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. We have three different experiments to show. Now, for these different experiments, we will take a potted plant. Potted plant मतलब those plants which are grown in a pot or tub, ताकि हम उसको एक जगह से दूसरे जगह तक आसानी से we can move it. So first experiment is experiment to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Importance of sunlight in photosynthesis. Next, first step, what we do? We take a potted plant and we keep it in a completely dark room. एक completely dark place में रखेंगे एक potted plant को. Okay, you know, the green plants by the process of photosynthesis they make glucose, and that glucose is used for its different purposes by the plants: energy production, movement and respiration. डिफरेंट पर्पस के लिए जो ग्लूकोज है वो यूज होता है, ग्रोथ. देन व्हाट वी डू, आवर फर्स्ट एम इज टू देन दैट ग्लूकोज इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च इन द लीव्स ऑफ द प्लांट. नाउ आवर फर्स्ट एम इज टू रिमूव दैट स्टार्च फ्रॉम द plant. So for that what we do, we keep it completely in a dark room so that photosynthesis cannot take place in the potted plant. अगर photosynthesis नहीं हुआ then it cannot produce more glucose. अगर glucose the plant can't produce glucose, then it will consume energy from the stored glucose. अभी glucose प्लांट में स्टोर होता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. फोटोसिंथेसिस से प्लांट मेक ग्लूकोज एंड द एक्स्ट्रा ग्लूकोज व्हिच इज नॉट नीडेड बाय द प्लांट दैट इज स्टोर्ड इन द लीव्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. सो प्लांट विल यूटिलाइज नाउ दैट ग्लूकोज एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड डिस्टार्च. डी स्टार्च मतलब जितना स्टार्च है उसको रिमूव करने का जो प्रोसेस है दैट इज डिस्टार्चिंग. सो आफ्टर कीपिंग दिस पोटेड प्लांट इन एन completely dark room for 3 to 4 days, the complete amount of starch which is stored in the leaves will be utilized by the plant. Now there is no starch in the leaves after 3 to 4 days. Next what we will do, we will take out the potted plant in the sunshine again. Now what we will do, in one of the leaf we cover a part of the leaf with aluminum foils. तो एल्यूमिनियम का फॉयल है, उससे एक लीफ लेंगे. we'll take one leaf and we'll cover one part of the leaf, not completely. In the middle of the leaf we'll cover it tightly so that sunlight cannot fall on it. So again after 3 to 4 by photosynthesis the potted plant will again they will form glucose, and that glucose will again be stored in the form of starch. Now our aim is to see that ये जो एल्यूमिनियम के फॉयल से जिस पार्ट को हमने कवर किया था वहाँ पे फोटोसिंथेसिस हुआ है या नहीं. अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस हुआ तभी ग्लूकोज प्रोड्यूस होगा. अगर ग्लूकोज प्रोड्यूस हुआ देन ओनली इट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. नेक्स्ट वी कैन टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन ए लीफ बाय आयोडीन. तो आयोडीन का सोल्यूशन होता है, इट्स पिंक इन कलर. सो जब आयोडीन सोल्यूशन जब व्हेन आयोडीन रिएक्ट्स विथ स्टार्च it gives blue black color. The pink color of the iodine solution turns blue black on reacting with starch. Next step, what we will do, we will detach the leaf from the plant and we'll wash it thoroughly with warm water so that the iodine solution can easily enter the leaf. जो प्लांट में है ना, उसका जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है या जो सेल वॉल है वो that becomes porous or loosened when we deep the leaf in warm water. जब हम warm water में leaf को deep करेंगे तो उसका जो सेल वॉल है या जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है वो थोड़ा पोरस हो जाएगा और उससे इजीली आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन अंदर जा सकेगा. नेक्स्ट, बिफोर अप्लाइंग द आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन, our next work will be to remove the chlorophyll, because chlorophyll is green in color. अभी जो ग्रीन कलर में ही अगर हम जो ग्रीन कलर्ड लीफ में ही अगर हम आयोडीन दे सॉल्यूशन दे, देन इट विल नॉट टर्न इनटू ब्लू ब्लैक कलर. हम अच्छे से उसको जो कलर चेंज हो रहा है या नहीं, विल नॉट एबल टू डिटरमाइन. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप, वी नीड टू डीकलराइज द लीफ. जितना we know the leaf is green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. The next step is to remove the chlorophyll of the leaf. What we do, we take the leaf in a beaker which contains alcohol. Okay, एक बीकर में लेंगे, उसमें अल्कोहल देंगे और उसको हीट करेंगे. Directly we will not directly heat the alcohol, because you know alcohol is what, inflammable, so it may catch fire. और डायरेक्टली हीट करेंगे तो जो स्टार्च है, द स्टार्च प्रेजेंट इन द लीफ, इट ऑल्सो मे गेट डैमेज्ड. सो वी हीट द लीफ इन एल्कोहल इनडायरेक्टली इन ए वाटर बाथ. ऐसा वाटर बाथ लेंगे, उसको हीट करेंगे. जो इसका जो वाटर, दिस वाटर विल बी वार्म्ड अप एंड दिस वार्म वाटर विल ऑल्सो हीट द solution, alcohol solution, and the leaf contained in it. So after some time, all the green colors present in the leaf will be decolorized. इसमें जितना भी क्लोरोफिल था वो लीफ से निकलकर इस सॉल्यूशन में आ जाएगा, अल्कोहल के सॉल्यूशन में आ जाएगा, and the green colored leaf will become colorless. Next step is to wash the leaf thoroughly with warm water, so that if any chlorophyll is attached or any chlorophyll particle is still left in the surface of the leaf, then it may get removed. And next step is to put iodine solution with the help of a dropper. Now most interestingly, iodine reacts with starch to produce blue black color. Okay, so when we put iodine solution into this leaf, सो जिस हिस्से में हमने एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल से कवर किया था, उसमें देखो कोई भी कलर चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब वहां पे स्टार्च प्रोडक्शन नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि वहां पे सनलाइट कुड नॉट फॉल ऑन दैट पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ व्हिच वाज कवर्ड विद एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल. फोटोसिंथेसिस कुड नॉट ऑकर इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ. फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हुआ तो ग्लूकोज प्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा. अगर ग्लूकोज ही प्रोड्यूस नहीं हुआ तो स्टार्च कैसे बनेगा, क्योंकि ग्लूकोज इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च इन द प्लांट्स. सो दिस पार्ट डज नॉट change the color, and other parts that was exposed to sunlight, that part produced glucose, and glucose was stored in this part in the form of starch. So on reacting with iodine solution, the other parts which was open, which was not covered with aluminum foil, it turned blue black upon putting iodine solution. So from this experiment we can say that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. जो पार्ट हमने एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल से कवर किया था वहाँ पे फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हुआ. अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हुआ तो वहाँ पे ग्लूकोज फॉर्म नहीं होगा, और ग्लूकोज अगर फॉर्म नहीं हुआ तो स्टार्च भी वहाँ पे स्टोर नहीं होगा. सो द पर्पस ऑफ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट वाज टू शो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ sunlight in the process of photosynthesis. Next, same experiment we have. Now it's to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So first we have seen importance of sunlight. Next we will see why chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. Now you see, all leaves are not green in color. There are some leaves where other colored pigments are also there. White color, maybe there yellow color, red color की leaves भी होते हैं. उसमें कुछ green patches भी होते हैं. तो ऐसा एक हम will take for this experiment, will take such a kind of leaf. and such type of leaf where more than two colors are present along with the green color, we call those leaves as variegated leaves because of the presence of two or more than two different colors. So see, in this leaf there is a green part and a yellow part. So photosynthesis takes place only in the green leaves because green leaves में ही chlorophyll होगा and chlorophyll is responsible for trapping the sunlight energy. So जो yellow हिस्सा है वहाँ पे कोई भी photosynthesis नहीं होगा. So in green part of the plants, glucose will be stored in the form of starch, and in the yellow part of the leaf, no photosynthesis will occur, hence no starch will be stored here. Same experiment we'll do. We'll take a potted leaf. We will keep it in the dark room for 2 to 3 days so that all the starch present in the leaves may get used up by the plant. Next, after 3 to 4 days, we will bring back the potted plant in the sunshine again so that photosynthesis may take place. Then after 3 to 4 days, we will take one leaf, we will detach it from the plant. Next, we will wash it thoroughly with warm water so that iodine solution can easily enter into it. Next, we will remove this chlorophyll by boiling the leaf in the alcohol solution. Next, we will again wash the leaf thoroughly with warm water so that any chlorophyll which may remain attached to the leaf after boiling with alcohol can get removed. Next, what we do, we put iodine solution drop by drop. Next, what we'll see, in the green parts of the leaf only will turn blue-black on adding the iodine solution. The other yellow part will remain as it is, that will not react with the iodine solution. Thus, from here we can conclude that part of the leaf which is green in color, which contained chlorophyll, can only react or do photosynthesis process. The other part of the leaf, they cannot take part in the photosynthetic process. So this is why through this experiment we can say that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. The other part, the yellow part of the leaf, had no chlorophyll, so it could not take part in the photosynthesis process. Only the green part could trap the solar energy, and with the help of carbon dioxide and water they produce glucose, and that glucose is stored in the form of leaf, in the form of starch, and that starch, when we put iodine solution, that starch reacts with the iodine solution to give blue-black color. Next, one more reaction, more experiment we have. Importance of carbon dioxide. So what is the importance of carbon dioxide? So same experiment we'll perform. We'll take a potted plant, and यहाँ पे थोड़ा arrangement different होगा comparison to that. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, we need to cut off the carbon dioxide completely. So first what we do, we take a leaf, okay, we take a leaf and we immerse it एक conical flux में पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड लेंगे, ओके, और प्लांट जो प्लांट का जो लीफ का आधा हिस्सा है दैट विल बी इनसाइड द कोनिकल फ्लक्स, एंड जो आधा हिस्सा है इट विल बी आउटसाइड द कोनिकल फ्लक्स, ओके. तो पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड विल एब्जॉर्ब द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन this part of the leaf which is inside the conical flux, okay. So suppose this leaf is completely covered with this is completely inside the flux where we have taken potassium hydroxide. That potassium hydroxide will absorb the complete carbon dioxide that is present in this leaf. So we'll follow the same procedure. We'll take this leaf, take this plant and you will keep it in a completely dark room so that all the starch present in the leaves may get consumed up by the plant. Next we will bring it back again in the sunshine. Again photosynthesis will occur. Now in this leaf where no carbon dioxide will be left because potassium hydroxide will absorb all the carbon dioxide. In this leaf photosynthesis will not take place. Next what we'll do, we'll take this leaf which was dipped in potassium hydroxide, and we'll take another leaf which was outside, a normal leaf. Then we'll proceed the same procedure. We will boil it in the alcohol solution so that the chlorophyll is get removed. Next we will wash the leaf with warm water so that any chlorophyll which may remain stuck to the leaf is removed. Next what we do, we put iodine solution with the help of dropper. Now most surprisingly, ये जो लीफ जिसको हमने कॉनिकल फ्लास्क के अंदर में डाला था, जहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमने काट ऑफ किया था, जहाँ पे कोई कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड उससे नहीं मिल रहा था क्योंकि पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड विल एब्जॉर्ब द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हम देखेंगे उस लीफ पे कोई भी फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हुआ है. ओके, फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हुआ है तो स्टार्च फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा. इफ स्टार्च इज नॉट फॉर्म देन इट विल नॉट रिएक्ट विद आयोडीन टू गिव ब्लू ब्लैक सोल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट एक नॉर्मल लीफ लेंगे और एक लीफ लेंगे जो कि ऐसा जिसका हमने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कट ऑफ किया था. देन विल सी दैट लीफ वेयर carbon dioxide was cut off, that will not react with iodine to produce blue black color. Okay, and that part which was outside, or that leaf which was outside and which was getting enough amount of carbon dioxide, that reacted with iodine solution to produce blue black color. Thus from this experiment we can say that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Without carbon dioxide photosynthesis cannot take place and hence glucose formation will not occur. Next you see, this is the structure of stomata. First you see the closed structure. So there are some cells which we call the guard cells. This is nucleus, chloroplast, vacuole, and this pore is the stomatal pore. Now this pore is closed. So when plants absorb water from the roots, by the root hairs, this water is transported to different parts of the leaves with the help of xylem vessels. Next, when water will enter these guard cells, then these guard cells will become curved. जब water नहीं रहेगा तो guard cells remains flat and the stomatal pore is closed. When water will enter these guard cells, you see these structures will be swelled up. The guard cells become swelled up and curved, and which leads to, जब curve होगा, it will lead to the opening of the stomatal pore, and through this stomatal pore only carbon dioxide can enter and oxygen can come out of the leaves. So gaseous exchange means exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place through the stomatal pore. Normally जब photosynthesis नहीं होता है, to prevent loss of water from the leaves through the stomatal pore remains closed. इसीलिए ये हमेशा open नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि अगर open रहेगा तो उससे जो water है that will be evaporated or that will be lost from the stomatal pores. So when photosynthesis does not take place, the stomatal pores remains closed. See, this is the structure of a leaf. Okay, and see, this is the upper layer we call the epidermis. Epidermis के ऊपर भी एक layer है, we call it as cuticle. Now this is the stomata. देखो यहाँ पे भी stomata है. So carbon dioxide enters through this stomata and oxygen gas that is produced during photosynthesis also leaves from the leaf through this stomata only. Inside there are some cells. These cells we call it as photosynthetic cells, and inside the photosynthetic cells or mesophyll cells, chloroplasts are present. These structures are the chloroplast, और chloroplast के अंदर ही chlorophyll होगा and photosynthesis takes place inside these photosynthetic cells. So I think this part is clear to most of you. We have so photosynthesis process is this much only. We'll see the next part in our next class. Thank you.